This is only 4 ringgit 50 cents. Oh. Whoa. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Anjali here. Today we are going to test out some interesting makeup products, which is all from one brand, which is the Focallure brand. Okay, this is one of the most inexpensive brands you can find in market in recent times. So this is like a new brand, kind of a new brand, but they are coming up with some bomb product. Like, they are such a good product. I have a few in my makeup vanity and I just love them. So I just went to their page and I saw they have this full face of products and I thought I should definitely try them. And here I have all the products right now. So if you have never watched my previous video, which is the Shopee haul, I've also swatched some of the products which I won't be using in this video, so you can check that video also. I'll link in the description box and also at the end of the video. And Focallure has this amazing packaging. They deliver us with such a secure packaging. They came in with this air wrapped kind of packaging, and that is amazing. Your makeup product is not going to get damaged. And one more thing which I really like about Focallure is you come up with this kind of range. Like, you can see it looks similar, the packaging looks similar, and it just gives the vibe of a good big brand, even like high-end brands. So they do amazing stuffs with things like that. And another thing which I really like is they do come up with this scratch and check official genuine product, which makes sure that whatever you buy is a complete genuine Focallure product and they are not fake, because there are also fake products in the market. So maybe just to avoid these things, make sure you buy from their official stores to avoid getting some fake products and fake formulas. And now let's try out all the products that we do have in our cart and create a full face of glam look. Okay, now for the first product, I do have the Focallure Blur Max Primer. They do even have primer, and that is amazing because not many brands come out with primer, and being a very inexpensive brand and they are coming out with the primer is the best. So the packaging is nude pink in color and it looks pretty chic and classy. So it says Blur Max. So I'm going to quickly read what the brand claims on this particular product. They say this clear primer contains blurring powders, minimizing the appearance of pores and fine lines instantly. The oil control formula also provides a matte finish, helping makeup look better and last longer. Okay, so let's test it out and see whether they do come up with what it claims or not. Oh wow, okay, definitely this is a kind of a silicone primer because they do have this kind of gel consistency, like they look like silicones. So can you see, this is how the primers look like. Okay, so let's apply. Ooh, it feels so good. Like, it just gives you the feel of this baby butt. You know what I mean? Like, it's so soft. It's super duper soft. It just makes your skin really soft. But the brand also claim that they do minimize the pores, but I think they have minimized the pores, but not completely, maybe like 50%. So if you want to use this just to minimize your pores, then I don't think this is the right product. But if you really want like a soft skin, like you can feel that, like I can literally feel my skin is like super soft, then this is definitely a primer for you. And about the oil control, I have to test it out and let you guys know. Maybe I won't set this area because this is the area that I really get oily, so I'm going to avoid setting this area. And like after a few hours we would do like a test to see whether they do really control the oils in that area or not. But for now, this product is going to get a good from me because it feels really soft. Okay, now let's move into the foundation. So for the foundation, this is how they look like. This is the Focallure Skin Evolution Fluid Foundation, which has SPF 15. Wow, for this price they do even have some SPF, and this is a plastic packaging, so perfect for traveling, and they are like kind of mini. You can just throw it anywhere, even in your bags. So this is how they look up close. So in terms of the foundation, they do have very limited shade, which is I think almost like 8 shade range only, which is very bad for a foundation because you want to match your skin tone. But if you really want that, then you can choose shades which is like lighter and darker tone and can mix them together. So that's what you can do, I guess, if you can't find the right shade in this brand. But now let's test the formula out and see how it works. Okay, now before applying that, I'm going to quickly read what the brand name claims in the packaging. They say Focaccia Fluid Foundation can camouflage its imperfections and deliver a long-lasting velvet matte finish. This highly pigmented formula blends effortlessly to create a soft focus effect on skin, delivering a dimensional velvet matte finish that never looks flat. So let's test it out and see. So this is the consistency of the foundation. They are not watery, as you can see. They are not slipping it down. They are creamy, they are thick. It looks that it would be highly pigmented. So I'm going to just apply it over here and see like how much of coverage they do give. And I'm going to use their sponge, the Focaccia sponge. It's super soft, I already used it. But these are these extremely soft like beauty sponges that I've tried. They are just like a perfect dupe for this beauty blender. They are that soft. So because the beauty blender is almost 90 ringgit and you can only use like a few times, you know. And this is amazing. Okay, I'm really liking this foundation. The shade is not off. It's like a perfect shade for me. This is in the shade 04 Natural. Ooh, wow. I'm really liking this foundation. This has a medium to full coverage and I believe like if you go over it, it's a buildable coverage. Okay, it is a buildable coverage foundation. Like this is my skin without the foundation and this is my skin with the foundation. Can you see, like it just gives a nice glow to my face and I'm loving it. Like, can you see this? Oh, I just love a foundation with a little glow. Oh wow. Wow, this is so pretty. But it just camouflages some of the things and makes everything looks even. But they don't look like my skin. And I really like this. Oh wow. And I really like this kind of glow that they do give. So I'm just going to quickly finish it off over here and we'll give the final verdict for this foundation. Okay, and I went in with 1.5 pump of this foundation and they do give me this full coverage, like literally full coverage finish to my skin, and it is so pretty. I'm just loving the finish that they do give, and they are really like, from what they claim, it's a velvety matte. Yes, it is. They do look a bit satin velvet kind of finish. They are not the super dewy foundations which is just this super like thin consistency. They are not this kind of foundation. They are thick, they are pigmented, and they do give this velvety finish and not this super dewy skin. But they do have this little glow that peeking through it, which don't make your foundation looks flat. Also, this foundation blends so smoothly. Like when I was blending, I wasn't like hitting it hard or anything, because some cheap foundations just very bad at it, like at blendability. We just need to like keep on buffing it off just to blend everything on. But this one, I just blend it once and they just blend so effortlessly. But let's talk about the cons right now. This foundation is a little bit heavy. It's a little bit heavy. They are not this super lightweight foundation, because you couldn't expect more, because this is a super pigmented, like thick foundation. So it has to be heavy. So it's pretty comfortable and good. I think this foundation gets a definitely a yes from my side. I'm loving this. Can you see the glow? I don't have highlighter, I don't have anything, and I think I could just go out like this. And for the next product, let's move into the concealer. Okay, the packaging is beautiful. It looks classy. it kind of feels like an expensive packaging. Okay, and then I'm going to quickly read what the brand claims on this concealer. A hydrating, full coverage cream formula that glides over the skin without caking. Use our full coverage concealer to effortlessly camouflage dark under eye circles, hyperpigmentation and blemishes. Wow, they claim that this is like a super full coverage concealer that can hide everything. And they say it just glides on easily and don't cake. Ah yeah, and another part, yeah, I just remember, for this foundation, if you go overboard with this foundation, they can get cakey because they are this thick foundation. They are not this thin consistency foundation, so they can get a little bit cakey. So I think this shade is super light for me, like super duper light. This pretty much looks like a white concealer. It's okay. So I'm just trying to like brighten up then, but let's test out the formula. So I'm just going to blend this one first and see how they work, and then I'm going to move into other areas of my face because the color is completely out of my shade. So let's talk about the concealer now. The blendability is medium. I would not say they blend effortlessly. No, I don't think so, because I do work quite hard over here. I think that they do give a medium to full coverage as they claim, but I'm not sure whether they would hide like hyperpigmentation, because you can still see a little darkness under my eyes are like peeking through. Maybe a little darkness. I'm not mad at it, but I'm not really impressed. I think this concealer made my face like white. I'm not a fan of this concealer, but it's okay. Let's move on to the next product and see. This is the Focallure face powder. This is in the shade 2 loose powder, like 02. Okay, like 2, number 2. This is how the packaging looks like. It says Focallure face, and there are powder inside of this. I'm going to quickly set my I'm kind of liking their powder. I think they give even more coverage than the concealer. I think they have just made everything look smoother. Okay, let's just read quickly what the brand claims for this product. Our micro powder can give your skin a soft airbrush quality. It is entirely translucent, allowing for a natural look. It keeps your skin clear from oil all day long. Okay, they say it's airbrush quality. I would agree. I kind of can feel that. Like I could see that in the camera. They have just given me this airbrushed finish over here, and that is a yes. They say it's entirely translucent. I wouldn't agree because they do have a certain color to it. Like this has like a peachy tone. So it has color, so they are not translucent. They do have color, and they say giving a natural look. I think yes, they might be because they look good. So I am liking, and this like this powder gives like a full coverage finish, and yes, they are these micro powders. They are not these talc powders. I'm liking, like they do give some coverage. They do also like blurs up and gives like a nice smooth finish wherever you set. So it's a thumbs up from my side. Okay, and now let's move into contouring the face. I love contouring, so I'm really excited. What do they have for contouring? This is one product which I already own and I use it like a million times. So this is how they look like. It says Focallure face contour, and they comes in a stick like this, and when you roll up you get the product. So I've been using this for like not many years, but for quite a long time, and I've been loving. They blend effortlessly and the color is perfect. They just like a great cream contour product if you're looking something in a budget, because like cream contours like this are expensive, like they are a little pricey. So I think for this price this product is really good. So I would highly recommend it because I've used this like million times. So definitely get this one. But I'm going to quickly show you how it looks. They do have like a certain shade. This is in the shade for brown, so they do have a certain shade, and you can choose the shade according to your skin tone. Maybe you want something lighter or you want something darker, because I always like a boom contouring, like this Kim Kardashian contouring rather than a very subtle contouring. So I've took like this darker shade, but you can definitely choose like any shade that you think which is perfect for your skin tone. So just because my concealer gives so much of brightness to my face, I'm going to like really contour up my face to give some shadows back to my face. And this product goes a long way. Like if you buy one, you can use it for the rest of your life. No, not rest of your life, but you can use it for a very long time. So I'm just going to quickly show you how it looks. Like this blends really well, and it just gives a very nice finish to your skin, and I really like can you see? It is so beautiful. Like if you use this one, you know what I mean. Like just try using this one. It's really good and they look good. The shade is beautiful. Like can you see, they instantly gives you this little sculpting which looks natural. Like they don't look cakey, they don't look thick, they're just like they blend effortlessly into your skin and looks like your skin, and that is what all I would say. So I'm going to quickly set them with a powder contour, which is the next product which I have in the cart, and this says Bling Focallure, which is the highlight and contour. This is in the shade 02. Okay, and once when you open it up, you have a mirror and you have two colors in there, which is like a highlight powder and a contour powder. So I'm just going to swatch and see first like how it looks. I'm not sure. Okay, they are not highlighters, but they are this shimmer powders which just highlight your under. Just when you want to set the concealers in place, you can use this powder to set to get a little bit glow. Like they do have a teeny shimmers, like very small shimmers, and this contour powder does not have any shimmers, and they are matte. They are like perfectly matte. So since I've already set my under areas, I'm not going to use that one, but they look pretty. So I'm going to contour with this matte shade over here. Okay, these are like fairly pigmented, which is really good for a bronzer or for like a contour shade, and I think they do blend so well. Wow, they blends really well. Like they don't look powdery at all. Like if I look at my skin up close, they don't look powdery at all. They just feels like I have used like a cream product only on my skin. My contour just like looks creamy. Like they look really nice. They don't look powdery at all, and I'm really loving this one. Like surprisingly for this price point, oh, this product works really good for this price point. Okay, and I actually forgot to read what the brand claims, so I'm going to like quickly read that and see whether it does its job. Highlight, color and contour with this versatile, easy to use dynamic duo that contains a velvety, smooth luminizing powder for pro highlighting and a matte bronzing powder for perfectly contoured bronze cheeks. This unique formula is oil, fragrance and talc free and great for all skin types. Complete with a super-sized mirror, this glamorous compact is perfect for on-the-go red carpet glow. And yes, they are. Like they are perfect for traveling. And they say it has a velvety, smooth, luminizing powder, which is yes, they do give. Oh wow, the glow is so sheen. It's so beautiful. I don't think the camera will capture if I show you this, but oh, I'm liking. It works. Now quickly, let's move into the next favorite of mine, which is highlighter. Okay, I'm this highlighter freak. I buy highlighter. I keep on buying highlighter because I just love highlighter, and we do have the Focalier highlighter, which is so affordable. The packaging. Can you first take a moment to appreciate their packaging? It says beam, which is literally like beaming. Even the beam is like with this foil finish, and and it comes like this very compact, like compact powder kind of packaging. Whoa. This is how it looks. It looks like this Sahara desert. Like it's so pretty. Wow, and it comes with a mirror. Okay, and this is in the shade 03 Double Gleam. And I'm going to quickly read again, like whatever is in the packaging. This extra dimension skin finish add the perfect glow to the skin. The liquid powder highlighter, which prismatic reflection, is designed to sculpt and highlight your face, leaving a luminous, well-defined finish. The creamy powder formula lasts up to 10 hours. Are you even kidding me? 10 hours a highlighter? I don't think so. But I couldn't do like a testing for 10 hours. Maybe one day I'll do, because but right now I'm filming at night, so I can't do like a 10-hour test on my highlighter. But let's see, I'm excited. They say it has this creamy finish. Let's just swatch it first. Look at this. Whoa, are they kidding me? Look at this, how pigmented they are. These are super pigmented. And yes, they do have this creamy finish. Ooh. So I'm going to quickly take a brush. Okay, let's do it. What is even this? Are you like kidding me? Like, this is an highlighter from a drugstore brand. I don't even know whether to call it a drugstore or not. It is beaming. Whoa. This is kind of like the Fenty Beauty highlighter shade. You know, they have this gold one. It's almost like that. But you have to dust it off, I think. Once you take with the brush, it tends to hold up. But they look so pretty. Can you see? Oh, this is a win. Like, this is definitely a win from my side. Okay, but when I'm looking up close, they do look a little bit powdery. They are not completely creamy, but when you apply it, I have no idea why, but they do look a little bit powdery. Maybe I should have tried applying over here with the damp sponge, because damp sponge would always like avoid like powdery formula in terms of the highlighters, so they would just give you like a nice creamy finish. A little powdery, not too much, very little, but they are still powdery. But they look so gorgeous. I don't mind using like a damp sponge and applying my highlighter to just make them much more creamier. So I think in terms of the pigmentation, they were winning it. Okay, now quickly get into the blush. So this is the blush which just says Focalier and it's in the shade B06. So this is how it looks inside. Like, surprisingly, they don't have mirror for this. They are a little powdery, like you can see when I'm dusting it out, they are a little powdery. Oh, I like the shade. Oh, I love like blushers like this which is not pigmented. Like, I hate blushes which are pigmented because it looks like you're a clown from nowhere. I love blushes like this. They makes your skin looks nice and rosy. Like, I think you can literally see that it looks like my skin is like blushing rather than looking like I've got blush on my face. So I really like blushes like this, and they blend so easily. Oh my god, what formula does this brand use? Oh my god. Okay, and next let's move to the eyes. So for the eyes, I have this beautiful eyeshadow palette from Focallure. This is called the Sunrise Impressionism 16 pan eyeshadow palette. Okay, this is not something that I bought new. I've been using this for a year or more. I'm loving this, so I can give you a complete verdict on this palette, a complete review. This palette is amazing, like amazing, like just take it to your ears, it's amazing. So make sure, like if you are in plan to buy this palette, and if you come to this video just to know whether this palette is good or not, just go and buy. You won't regret, I tell you, you won't regret. It's such a beautiful palette. And one more thing before showing the palette, this palette is a great dupe for the Huda Beauty New Nude palette. So if you are familiar with the beauty products, then you know the New Nude palette has just created such a huge impact in the beauty industry. Like it's the best eyeshadow palette for like pinky nude kind of everyday kind of looks, and that palette is almost 380 ringgit. And this one over here, and today when I look at the internet, there's a sale going on. It's only 17. I think when I buy this one it was 30 something, and today it was just 17. I was just feeling like someone please go and buy, and if I'll link all the products down below, so make sure you check that out and see whether the sale is still on. But it is such an amazing palette, and this is how the palette looks like. I'm pretty sure that you have seen in my video like million times, but this is how the palette is. Just excuse because I've used some of the shade too much, especially like these two shades. So the shimmer shades in here are amazing, and the blendability of the matte shadow, they comes up with matte shadows, shimmer shadows, like this foil shadows, glitter shadows, and even a concealer just to like do a cut crease. So they are like a whole thing in a package, and definitely get this one. And you get a mirror, like life-size mirror. It's so huge, and these are perfect. They blend smoothly. They are super pigmented. Okay, all these shadows are really pigmented. When you're blending it on or when you're doing anything, they're perfect, and they don't have fallouts, like very minimal amount of fallouts, and I think you can definitely fix it out. Since this video is getting like really long, I'm going to quickly do my eye look with this palette off the camera because this is getting like really long, and I'll be right back. Okay, and I'm right back with my eye look, and I completely forgot one thing, you guys. I even bought this two separate eyeshadow, like single eyeshadows, and that is the color that I've got over here. I kid you not, how I forgot. Like this is genius. And you see the packaging, it's so classy, it's so pretty, and when you open it up, this is what you get. Like, can you see? This is literally foiled eyeshadows, and this is only 4 ringgit 50 cents. Like, I kid you not, it's only 4 ringgit 50 cents. And can you like see the pop of color it does give? Because I want to use this palette to show you over here, so I never use it in my eyelid. But can you see the pop of color? When I was like, I'll just swatch it for you. It's so creamy. It's like, oh, can you see the pigment? Can you like literally see the pigment? Oh my goodness, where is it? Yeah. Like, get this one. I think I'm going to get like in whatever shade that they do have. This is just 450. This is in the shade Exotic D02 single eyeshadow. It's genius. It's so pretty. It was super creamy. It's just it's creamy. It's not powdery at all. It's not gel. It's cream. It's creamy. It just glides on, and they work like this expensive eyeshadows. Can you see the amount of pigment that they do have? And they are so creamy. Oh, get this one. I am going to get like in all shades. It's so good, so good. Like, I'm really impressed. I think out of this whole video until now, I'm really impressed with this one. For the price point, they give such a beautiful packaging and a great product with this pigment. Whoa, I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed. Okay, for eyeliner, I do have two products with me. One is a Lasting Soft Gel Pencil and another one is Intense Liquid Eyeliner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this liquid on top, and I'm going to use this gel to just tight line my eyes and line my eyes with the liquid. Okay, and this is how the eyeliner looks like. It's a very basic packaging, I guess, for this liner. Okay, it says long lasting eyeliner, and I'm going to quickly read what they claim. They claim that this easy to use glides on pencil makes it easy breeze to create the look you want. The same pigmentation and long lasting transfer proof wear of our gel color eyeliner in a pencil. So pigmented, long lasting, transfer proof wear. So I'm going to quickly swatch it and we'll see. Oh, okay. They look like black shimmer. Let me just quickly. Yeah, they are not this plain black. They have shimmers in their liner. They have a golden shimmer. The eyeliner has a slight tidbit of shimmer. Like you can see, they tends to like break a bit, and it's not super creamy, but they're not this super hard eyeliners which is like GD hard or something. Okay, I think it's very easy to tight line your eyes with this one. Because they just, yeah, they do glides easily, but they do have a little shimmer, so I have a mixed feeling to use it. Oh, and they are retractable. I love retractable because you don't have to sharpen them. So I think just alone they would still look good because they do have a little bit of like golden shimmer, so you can create a look just with this liner. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to swatch it like over here again, and I'm going to smudge it after like a few minutes, maybe after like a 10 minutes, and see. So this is the swatch, and let's just smudge it and say after 10 minutes maybe they should set or something, I don't know. So let's just give it some time and test it out. So now done with that, I'm going to quickly move into the liquid liner. This is how the liquid liners looks like. It looks pretty basic, and they do have a tip like this, just like a marker tip, and let's swatch it and see. Ooh, they are dark. They are dark. This is the one. They are dark. So I'm going to read what they claim. They say, take the intimidation out of the pigmentation and achieve crisp definition as you line your eyes like a pro with this easy to use precision long wear liquid liner. And that's all they say. They never say this is smudge proof. They never say this is anything. But in terms of the color, it is intense. It is black. Okay. So I'm just going to smudge it out. It has been like 2 minutes. Oh. Okay. They are smudge proof. Okay, then I would try it on my eyes and see. Okay, in terms of the color, they are really intense and they are pretty if you are lining up on top of like eyeshadows like this. Hey guys, I actually tried them with water, like washing it off with water, but they never removed. So they are exactly waterproof as they mention. Both, even the gel liners and the liquid liners, are waterproof. They are amazing. I'm really loving it. So this is post of the video, and when removing them I found out that they are really waterproof, so I'm really loving them. So now let's move into the mascara. I do have a mascara from their brand. This is how the mascara looks like. The packaging looks beautiful and luxurious. I'm really liking their packaging. So let's quickly try it. So I'm just going to wear it over this side and see the difference. They do give like a very mild lash look, very mild lash lift. Nothing great about this, but maybe I would use this like underneath my falsies, so that your real lashes won't show up like your real one. They would just like kinds of blends in easily. So for that purpose I would be using this one, or I think on my lower lash line, the one really to separate your lashes well, but I don't think they do give any volume or anything, and I don't even think like you can see it on camera. So not impressed. Maybe if you want to get this one, get this for your lower lash line. Okay, so for the brows I do have two products. One is the gel brow, and one is the Focallure brow powder. So the gel one is something I've been using for ages and I've been loving them. So if you are planning to get the gel one, then I would recommend you to get one. They just stay put together in the place. I love using the gel one because they just stay put in the place. Like if you're going for a very long day out, your brows don't move, and this is perfect. And they also comes with like in lots of shades, so you can choose your own shade as well. But they do get a little bit dry over the time, like if you never close your lid properly, or over the time it might get a little dry. So in that times you can use a little bit of beauty oil into this, and you can use it all over your brow, just a little bit, just to revamp the texture. Otherwise this is a great product. So since I've already used that, I'm going to try this brow powder. So this is how the brow powder looks like. The packaging looks pretty good. Oops. They comes with a brush, like an angular brush to fill in your brows, and 3 shades. This is to highlight your brow bones, and these 2 shades for your brows. And I think like this is even perfect for like eyeshadows. Like you can create smoky look, everyday look. Like maybe I should do something like that. Okay, the color are not too intense, so they're good for brows, because like intense brow powders make your eyebrows look really bad. So since the colors are not really intense, it's good for your brows. Okay, so we're done with the brows, and in terms of the brow product, I think it's pretty okay for the price. You can buy, you can just do your brows for everyday brows. This is perfect. Like this is okay. And now we are going to move into the lipsticks. I do have 4 lipsticks over here and 1 lip gloss which I got for free. So I'm going to use this shade over here. This is shade 14 Madagascar. So the rest of the shade you can check my Shopee haul video if you want to know how they swatch or how they look, because this video is getting really long, so I have to really get quick with this one. This is more like red. Well, I'm pretty impressed with the formula. They really feel soft. Like initially in that Shopee haul video I swatched, I don't remember which lip shade was it, but it was really patchy. But in my lips, I don't know which one was it, but this one is really soft on my lips. It's super lightweight and they are pigmented though. I'm liking this. Oh wow, I'm really liking this lipstick. They're not sticky, not like this cheap lipstick which is like super sticky. No, they are not like that. They are like a proper liquid lipsticks, and they are like really light on your lips. You don't feel like this thick lipsticks on your lips. These are like very, oh, very nice. They feels really good on my lips. But is it matte? Let's try. Oh, they are not matte, so they do transfer. But otherwise, like if you don't mind that, this is a good lipstick. I feel so good. Like my lips is just feeling so good. So I'm really loving this one. So I'm just going to quickly give a review on this eyeliner just now. Like it is not smudging at all. This is the gel liner which we used just now. It don't smudge, so this is completely smudge proof. And another one, I said I'll be figuring out whether the primer is oil control or not. I think they are oil control. I think I'm filming this video for like a good 1 to 2 hours. So I never get anything oily over here, which is great because I do get really oily over this part. So I think the primer really works. Okay, and one more, I really want to give you a review on this one, which is the Focalier Body Glow. But unfortunately, since the video is getting really long and I know I'll be talking a lot for this one, so I'm just skipping this and I'm going to do a separate video on this by comparing it with the Fenty Beauty Body Lava, which is going to be a good one because this is such a bargain if it works just like as it is, because Fenty Beauty Body Lava is freaking expensive. So I'm going to do it a separate video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you don't miss that video. And I'm very sorry for making this video very long because I really want to explain everything to you, and I really want to give insight of everything, the pros and cons, and that is why the video is really long. And because generally just a review for one product could take 15-20 minutes, and this is the whole phase of a makeup, so that's why the video is really long. I'm really sorry, and I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.